Today I am going to explain question number 5 of exercise 4.4 of quadratic equation. Here the question is it possible to design a rectangular park with perimeter of 80 meter and an area 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Question says, is it possible to design a rectangular park with perimeter of 80 meter and an area 400 meter square? क्या ये पॉसिबल होगा एक पार्क को रेक्टेंगुलर शेप में डिज़ाइन करने में जिसका पेरीमीटर है 80 मीटर और एरिया है 400 मीटर स्क्वायर? इफ़ सो, अगर पॉसिबल है तो हमें लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ फाइंड करनी है. हियर वी नीड टू फाइंड लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. सो लेट्स सपोज द लेंथ ऑफ द पार्क बी x मीटर and the breadth of the park be y meter. We know perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So given perimeter is 80 meters. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So 2 into here length is x plus breadth is y is equals to 80. So x plus y is equals to 80. ये 2 यहाँ जाके डिवाइड में आ जाएगा. सो 2 1 ज़ा 2 40 ज़ा x plus y is equals to 40. Y is equals to 40. Shift this x to the right hand side. So it will become minus x. We know area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Given area is 400 meter square. So here length is x into breadth is y is equals to given area is 400. So x into here y is 40 minus x, no, x into y is 40 minus x. So 40 minus x is equals to 400. So x into 40 is 40x, x into minus x is minus x square. Shift this 400 to the left hand side. So it will become minus 400 is equals to 0. So यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म के साथ नेगेटिव साइन है, ये नहीं होनी चाहिए. सो विल टेक माइनस साइन कॉमन, माइनस इंटू फर्स्ट विल राइट एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म, एक्स टर्म, देन कॉन्स्टेंट टर्म. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 40x प्लस 400 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. माइनस साइन कॉमन लेने से पॉजिटिव साइन नेगेटिव हो जाएंगे, नेगेटिव साइन पॉजिटिव हो जाएंगे. सो एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 40x प्लस 400 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. सो फाइनली वी गॉट अ रिक्वायर्ड quadratic equation. So comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, we get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 40, c is equals to 400. So here we have to find out the nature of the roots. So discriminant is used to find out the nature of the roots. So d is equals to b square minus 4ac. Substitute abc values in discriminant, we get b square, b is minus 40, b square is minus 40 whole square minus, write as it is 4, write as it is, a is 1, c is 400. So minus 40 whole square is minus 40 into minus 40 is 1600 plus 1600. So minus, write as it is, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 400 is 1600. So minus 1600, 1600 minus 1600 is 0. So here discriminant is 0. So therefore the equation has real and equal roots. Hence the situation is possible. So here we have to find out the roots by using quadratic formula. X is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac के प्लेस में हम d लिख देंगे अपॉन 2a. So minus, write as it is, b is minus 40. So minus of minus 40 plus minus under root d is 0 upon 2 into a is 1. So minus into minus is plus 40 plus minus under root d is 0, no? So 0 upon 2 into 1 is 2. X is equals to 40 upon 2 is 2 ones are 2 20s. X is equals to 20. So here length is x, that is 20 meters. Here breadth is 40 minus x, that is 40 minus 20 is 20 meters. So thus the rectangular park is possible to design whose length is 20 meters and its breadth is 20 meters.